Ulun Danu Bratan Temple, Handara Gate, Tegalalang Rice Terrace, and Kata Lampo Waterfall. Good morning, guys. Today we are, in Ubud, as you may or may not know. Today we're going on one of the tours. So there's like a few kind of car tours you can do. You hire a man with a car, he drives you around like 4 places, or more or less, depending I guess on where you want to go. There's usually some different packages and stuff. We actually spliced 2 together, and we are going to, where are we going? Had to look it up. Ulun Danu Bratan Temple, yes. Handara Gate, Tegalalang Rice Terrace, and Kata Lampo Waterfall, right at the end. Now I'm not sure if that's the order we're going to do them in. That's the order we've kind of given our driver, but obviously he probably knows which one to do best at what time and when. So we'll kind of maybe leave it up to him to some degree. But we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. So I think our driver is coming in 25 minutes, so we've still got some time. Yay! Asha's just having breakfast through the wall over there. What I thought I might do. Oh, and by the way, this cost 700,000. If you're wondering, and we're splitting it 3 ways. So Asha and I, obviously, and Ben, who you may have met from the market last night as well. I think what I might do with this video is I might do a whole duration of the whole day, but then also split it up into 4 different videos for each place. So yeah, I guess this is going to be part of the main whole video, and then each one will have its own like dedicated video as well. Alright, if that makes sense. Just to kind of, because I imagine, it's going to be a long day. It's like 10 hours long, right? 8 a.m., which is almost 8 a.m. if you can't tell. I've been awake for a while. Until 6, depending on traffic, I guess. But I think that's kind of set, otherwise we have to start paying extra anyway. So I think it's just, it'll be 8 till 6, depending on traffic. Unfortunately, I think it's about 4-5 hours of that are actually in the car. So yeah, I may spare you a lot of that, and more time, I think we're going to stop for lunch somewhere as well. So yeah, throughout the day, this video will continue, etc. Okay, let's go. Look, and there's Ubud out there. Ubud is out there. Oops, let's see. It's a bit of a wet one, but maybe it's just a wet morning. I think like if we're going to, for example, the furthest place first, I think hopefully we will wake up and the rain will go to sleep, and the sun will also wake up a little bit. That's the hope. That's the dream. That's the day. Alright, cool. Well, catch you somewhere. I think probably in a car or something. Still getting a little bit ready. Pretty much done. Gotta put some shoes on. But yes, go! Hello guys, so we are in the car. Here we are.
Hello!
There's Asha. Ben's in front. Okay. Where are we going?
The name Udan. Sorry, what am I calling now?
Ulun Danu Bratan.
Ulun Danu. See, someone knows. At least the driver knows where we're going. So yeah, that's where we're heading now. That's our first stop. So yeah, I guess we'll see you there. It's a temple, yes. We'll see you there.
And on the way, we're going through villages with fields and lots of rice, I guess corn. Also, I've seen babi guli, and so lots of babis around. And we've seen ducks as well, which was everyone said to me is bebek. So I'm really happy to be immersed in local village life.
Hello guys, we are at Ulun Danu Bratan, which is like the famous kind of temple, which is over there somewhere on the lake. There's like loads of things, strawberry, some sort of owl, I think, coming out of nowhere. Big trees. As you can maybe see behind me, they are actually doing a ceremony just here. I don't want to talk too loudly, but I might go around them and then tell you a bit more about the place. Okay, so ready? Here's some knowledge. Ulun Danu Bratan Temple is one of 9, Kahirangan Jagat Temple, which are surrounding Bali Island. That makes it become one of the most important temple for the Balinese, especially for Hindu. It consists of 5 compounds of temples and 1 Buddhist stupa, which is kind of the famous bit. So this is the Buddhist stupa here, I believe. So that behind me is called Linga Petak. Basically, it's one of 9 quite important temples that are around Bali. Loads of like kind of sculptures. It's quite scenic. You're obviously on the lake like this. Yeah, let's just maybe have a little walk around. Okay guys, I got a bit more for you, Here we go. So, Pura Ulun Danu Bratan, right, that's where we are, is a major Hindu temple in Bali, Indonesia. As you can see, over there, right? The complex is on the shores of Lake Bratan, yes, which is the lake behind me, in the mountains near Bedugul, which, like, this trip we're doing actually is kind of part of the Bedugul kind of package, I guess. In Bali, Hindu temples are known as Pura, being designated as open-air places of worship in walled compounds. The temple was built in 1633. The temple is used for offerings and ceremonies dedicated to the Balinese water, lake and river goddess Dewi Danu, due to the importance of Lake Bratan as a major source of irrigation in central Bali. So yeah, the water from the lakes serves the entire region in the outflow area. Downstream, there are many smaller water temples that are specific to each irrigation association. There you go. So irrigation, I guess, in terms of like the rice and paddy fields. So I guess this guess, remember I said guess, this lake kind of feeds through to all the rice paddy fields down the valley, because we are kind of up on a hill. We did have to come quite high up, and this is one of the biggest ones, which actually feeds most of Bali or the surrounding area in Bali. Okay guys, I think we're gonna go somewhere a bit more peaceful to have something to eat. Yeah, Asha keeps getting swamped for selfies. There's a lot of noise going over there. There's all the shouting going on over there. And now there's like loads of just people everywhere. So yeah, we want somewhere a bit calmer, find some food for something. Yes, cool. Okay guys, so we're in a little place just outside of the grounds. So you kind of come out of the exit, come down here, and there's like loads of little shops. Gonna have some bakso. It's only 15,000 as opposed to like the restaurant in the place was like 89,000 or something. You were saying?
It was like Swedish table that you have a lot of stuff.
I don't know what Swedish table
You
means.
had like salad, chicken, soup, cake, like a lot of stuff, and orange juice. So it was a lot included. It was very worth.
Sure, worth it, but too much for because I haven't really had breakfast. This is more like breakfast. So this is the bakso, obviously. Bakso is kind of like the chicken balls, I assume, and then maybe I don't know what that is, but that's an egg.
The best I had.
And this is you got some glass noodles. Steaming up a bit. Some other normal kind of 2-minute noodles. Bit of lime. Some I imagine that's coriander. I might be wrong. And a bit of cabbage. But also you can add these condiments. Condiments. Yes. So a bit of sweet soy sauce. I think that's something I'm going to put maybe a little bit of chili in there. Maybe a bit early for too much chili. But there we go, look. Whoa, a teaspoon. There we go. Right. Let's try it.
Wow, the egg is so thick.
Ooh, probably too much chili in there, but I'm good. What?
Telur?
Yes.
Very good. Telur. Very good. Leza. But telur? Village telur, no?
Oh yeah.
Very good telur.
Good. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, really good. Chicken balls. And then yeah, like Asha's just saying, there's an egg. She says it's one of the best eggs she's ever had. Maybe, probably not as good as Poland though.
It's like a no, it's like a village egg. It's like organic egg.
Right, organic.
Mm.
Let's try this egg. Also, it's boiled in salt. It's a very salty egg. We're gonna eat this stuff. Eat this stuff. And then
Get strawberry.
I might get some of this jackfruit as well. Apparently this is jackfruit for the journey. And then we head off. So catch you in a bit. And I think it was only 15,000. I'm not sure how much this is. I forgot to say actually, to get into the temple is 75,000. But you do get a free water. So yeah,
70.
if you were thinking or wondering, 75,000. Okay guys, I finished. Yes, I actually finished bleeding. I couldn't quite get through my soup. A bit too much chili. Suffering a little bit. It's really good for like clearing your nose. But yeah, spicy. Bit too much, but good. Woke me up. Filled me up. Now we're gonna go. Okay guys, we're getting back in the car. We're going somewhere, I don't know where we're going. We're going to the gate. Hydra's gate, no. Hydra's gate? I don't know, some gate, okay? Just follow me.